Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Joshi. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to play the tabs for the song called Yeh Dosti. This is from the movie called Purani Jeans and was requested to me by Rohit. So shout out to him. And the song is very easy. We'll be playing single string, the first string. The tabs are really very easy. And still, if you feel the need of having the written tabs of this song, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. Make sure to check that out as well. And yeah, as I said, we'll be doing it on single string and the tabs are really very easy. So without any further ado, let's get started. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Okay everyone, so the first line of the song goes like this. Okay, so starts on 8th fret of first string, 8 7 8 7 5, again 8 7 8 7 5, again you also on 5 7 8 8 and slide down to 10 8 7, you also on 8 and pull it up on 7 5. So what I'm playing is now you have to play this same line one more time. So let's play together really slow one more time. Right, I hope you got that. After that it goes like this. Okay, so starts on 12th fret, 12 10, 2 strokes on 12 and slide down to 13, 12 10, 8, 2 strokes on 10, slide down 12, 10, 8, 7, 8, stroke on 13 and pull down 12, 10. So what I'm playing is now you have to play this same line one more time. So let's play it together slow one more time. Okay, I hope you got that. After that goes like this. ये दोस्ती मिलती नसीब से. Okay, so starts on 12th fret of first string, 10, 8, 10 slide down to 12. Now there's a long pause. Again you also on 10 and hammer on 12, 10, 8 7, 8 and pull it up on 7, 5. So what I'm playing is Okay, now the next line goes like this. Okay, so again starts on 12th fret. 10, 8, 10 slide down to 12, 12 and hammer on, pull up on 13, like this, 10, again a stroke on 10 and hammer on 12, 10, 2 strokes on 8, 12, 10, 7 and hammer on pull off on 8, 5. Not as complicated as it looks. Let's play it together one more time. What you're playing is. Right? Now the third line goes like this. Okay. Again stroke on 12th fret. 10, 8, 10 and hammer on 12. After a long pause, again give a stroke on 10. 10 and hammer on 12. 10, 8, 7, 5, 7 and slide down to 8. After a pause, just slide it up and leave it like this. Okay, so what you are playing for this line is. Okay, I hope you got that. Now the fourth line goes like this. Okay, so again the line Yeh Dosti is same. 12, 10, 8, 10 slide down to 12, 12 hammer on pull on 30, 10, 10 and hammer on 12, 10, 2 strokes on 8, 12, 10, then give us one 12 and 7 and hammer on pull off on it, 5 and hammer on pull off 7, 3. What I'm playing for this line is. Right, I hope you got that. Now let's play the whole song together really slow one more time. Right, I hope you got that. So Yeah guys, I guess that's it for the tutorial of Yeh Dosti from the movie Purani Jeans. I hope this video was helpful in the tabs for that song. And for the written tabs, there will be a link in the description box down below. Make sure to check that out. And for any doubts, queries or requests, you can get in touch with me on Instagram. My Insta ID is right over here. And please don't forget to drop a like for this video guys, and please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching.